Emergency refuge areas. Do you know what they are? Do you know when and how to use them? Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Monday car tip session. Today, we will talk about emergency refuge areas. On smart motorways, the hard shoulder has been replaced with an extra running lane, and an emergency refuge area has been introduced just in case drivers can't make it to the nearest motorway service area or exit the motorway. So if your vehicle breaks down on these smart motorways and you are able to safely make your way to one of these refuge areas, once there, use the emergency telephone available there, or you can call national highways using the number displayed on the screen. Now, before joining live traffic, if your vehicle is now drivable, you must, I repeat, you must call national highways. What they will do is they will close lane 1, reduce the speed limit so you can join live traffic on lane 1. So yes, those are basically actions on how you should use these emergency refuge areas. Let us know if this video is helpful in the comment section. On our next video, we will look at what you should do if your vehicle breaks down on a running lane. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and follow us for more helpful car tips. Until next time, drive safe.